Hey there, it's Sarah with WTI, and this beautiful little top is a velvet and lace tank top that I find myself reaching for more and more. Let me show you what it looks like up close and tell you a few of the things I love about it.
So the first thing I love is the hemline, how it curves. That's a very flattering hemline for my body shape, and the fabric is luscious. It has this really beautiful sheen to it. This tank top is from Lime Flare, and I like the lace details on the sleeve openings and along the neckline. It's just a really cute top and very flattering. You can throw it on with pretty much anything. I have it here with just jeans, and it really dresses it up. But it's easy to pack as well. It packs well, and it's really very comfortable. All around great top.
So if you're looking for a comfortable and easy to wear top that adds a little element of elegance just because of the lace and the rich velvet look of the fabric, then I would recommend this tank top. I love the fact that it has the lace detailing all the way around the arms and all the way around the neck as well. And I love how it curves on the bottom. I find that to be a very flattering cut for me rather than straight across. And the fabric is comfortable and really beautiful. It's such a rich fabric. It will dress up anything that you put it with. And it's easy, effortless. And that is my point of view.